Mercedes-Benz G-Class Maintenance Service. Mercedes-Benz, commonly referred to as just Mercedes, is a German luxury automotive marque. Mercedes-Benz and subsidiary Mercedes-Benz AG are headquartered in Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, Germany. Mercedes-Benz produces consumer luxury vehicles and commercial vehicles. Are you looking for some Mercedes-Benz G-Class maintenance service? When you need a quality auto mechanic fast, you can trust an auto helper's expert to provide you with professional, friendly, and quality service. The maintenance service for a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, like any vehicle, typically involves regular checks and replacements to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance, safety, and longevity. The specific maintenance schedule can vary depending on the model year and the exact specifications of your G-Class. It's important to refer to the owner's manual for your specific vehicle, as it will provide the manufacturer's recommendations. Here are common maintenance services that may be part of the routine service schedule for a Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine lubricated and prevent wear. The frequency of oil changes can depend on the type of oil used and driving conditions. Brake inspection and service. This includes checking the brake pads, rotors, and fluid levels. Brake components may need to be replaced as they wear over time. Tire rotation and replacement. Rotating tires regularly helps ensure even tire wear. Tires may need to be replaced based on their condition and tread depth. Fluid checks and replacements. This involves checking and topping off various fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Some fluids may need periodic replacement. Air filter replacement. The engine air filter and cabin air filter may need to be replaced at specified intervals to maintain optimal air quality and engine performance. Battery inspection. Checking the battery's condition and cleaning terminals as necessary. Suspension and steering inspection. Checking components for wear and ensuring proper alignment. Spark plug replacement. Spark plugs may need to be replaced at certain intervals for optimal engine performance. Timing belt or chain replacement. If applicable, the timing belt or chain may need replacement according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Inspecting and lubricating components. This includes checking and lubricating various components, such as door hinges, hood latches, and suspension parts. Diagnostic checks. Modern vehicles often have sophisticated onboard diagnostic systems. Regular diagnostic checks can help identify and address potential issues before they become major problems. For accurate and model-specific information, refer to your Mercedes-Benz G-Class owner's manual or contact your local Mercedes-Benz dealership. They can provide details on the recommended service intervals and any model-specific considerations. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial for the vehicle's reliability and performance.